All right, people, let's talk face masks. Not the kind Batman wears, although wouldn't that be cool? I'm talking about the kind that makes your skin look amazing. Like, I woke up like this amazing, even if you didn't actually wake up like that. Remember when face masks were just for spa days? Now they're basically a part of our daily routine, like brushing your teeth, but for your face. And way more fun. So, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of face masks. First up, we've got sheet masks. These bad boys are like a tall glass of water for your face. Dehydrated skin, sheet mask. Dull complexion, sheet mask. Feeling fancy on a Tuesday night? Sheet mask. You can find sheet masks everywhere these days. Drugstores, supermarkets, even gas stations. And the best part? They come in every flavor imaginable. Avocado? Check. Green tea? Check. Snail mucin? Okay, maybe not for everyone, but hey, you do you. My personal favorite? The good old-fashioned hyaluronic acid sheet mask. It's like a big ol' hug for your skin, leaving it plump, hydrated, and ready to take on the world. Or at least ready to take on that Zoom meeting you've been dreading. Next up, we've got clay masks. These are the unsung heroes of skincare, especially when it comes to dealing with stubborn, clogged pores. These are the heavy hitters, the ones you break out when your pores are being extra clogged. You know, those days when your skin feels congested and you can almost see the buildup. Think of them as tiny little vacuum cleaners, sucking out all the dirt, oil, and general gunk that's been building up on your face. They dive deep into your pores, pulling out impurities that regular cleansers might miss. One of my go-to clay masks is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. This product has been a game changer for many, and it's easy to see why. Don't let the name scare you, it's actually super gentle. Despite its powerful name, it's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Mix it with some apple cider vinegar, slap it on your face, and wait for the magic to happen. The combination of the clay and vinegar creates a powerful detoxifying effect. Or, wait for it to dry and then wash it off. Same thing. As it dries, you'll feel it tightening on your skin, which is a sign that it's working. Just a heads up, your face might feel a little tight after using a clay mask. This is completely normal and just means the mask is doing its job. That's totally normal. It just means the mask is doing its job, sucking out all the bad stuff. Once you rinse it off, you'll notice your skin feels incredibly clean and refreshed. Just make sure to follow up with a good moisturizer to rehydrate your skin. This step is crucial because while the mask removes impurities, it can also strip away some of your skin's natural moisture. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, go for a lightweight, oil-free option. For dry skin, a richer, more hydrating formula will work wonders. With regular use, clay masks can become a vital part of your skincare routine, helping to keep your pores clear and your skin looking its best. So don't be afraid to give them a try and see the difference for yourself. Okay, let's be real. Peel-off masks are just plain fun. There's something so satisfying about peeling off a layer of dried gunk from your face. It's like a mini facial, but without the hefty price tag. Plus, they're great for removing blackheads and dead skin cells. Just make sure you're not being too aggressive when you peel it off. You want to avoid irritating your skin. Remember, gentle is key. One of my favorite peel-off masks is the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. It's a bit on the pricier side, but trust me, it's worth it. Your skin will be so smooth and glowy, you'll be tempted to skip the makeup altogether. Section 5. Overnight masks. Wake up flawless. Let's talk about overnight masks, the ultimate lazy girl hack for amazing skin. These masks are designed to work while you sleep, making them perfect for those who want to wake up with a radiant complexion without putting in too much effort. You know those nights when you're too tired to do your whole skincare routine? We've all been there. Whether it's after a long day at work, a late night out with friends, or just one of those days when you can't be bothered, skipping your skincare routine can feel like a guilty pleasure. That's where overnight masks come in. They are a game changer for anyone who wants to maintain their skin's health and beauty without the hassle of a multi-step routine. These magical potions work their magic while you sleep, so you can wake up looking like you just got back from a week-long spa retreat. Imagine waking up with skin that feels refreshed, rejuvenated, and glowing, all thanks to the power of an overnight mask. Okay, maybe not a whole week, but you get the idea. Even a single night of using an overnight mask can make a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance and texture. One of my favorite overnight masks is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This product is a cult favorite for a reason. It's packed with hydrating ingredients that quench your skin's thirst overnight. It's like a tall drink of water for your skin, leaving it feeling plump, hydrated, and ready to face the day. The lightweight gel texture absorbs quickly, so you won't have to worry about it rubbing off on your pillow. And by face the day, I mean scroll through Instagram for an hour before actually getting out of bed. But hey, at least you'll be doing it with flawless skin. So if you're looking for an effortless way to boost your skincare routine, give overnight masks a try. Your skin will thank you. Section 6, DIY masks. Channel your inner kitchen chemist. Feeling adventurous? Ready to dive into the world of homemade skincare? Why not try your hand at making your own face mask? It's a fun and creative way to pamper yourself. It's easier than you think, and you probably already have most of the ingredients in your kitchen. Imagine turning everyday items into luxurious skincare treatments. Plus, it's a great way to use up that avocado that's been sitting on your counter for a week. Avocados are packed with nutrients that are great for your skin. There are tons of DIY face mask recipes online, but one of my favorites is a simple honey and yogurt mask. It's soothing, hydrating, and perfect for all skin types. Just mix together equal parts honey and plain yogurt, and you'll have a mask that's both nourishing and easy to make. Apply it to your face, making sure to cover all areas evenly. The honey acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into your skin. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This is your time to relax, maybe even meditate or listen to some calming music. Your skin will be so soft and smooth, you'll feel like you've just had a professional spa treatment. You'll wonder why you ever spent money on store-bought masks. DIY masks are not only cost-effective, but also free from harsh chemicals. Just be careful not to get any in your hair. It can be a bit sticky and tricky to wash out, unless you're going for that whole "I just got attacked by a beehive" look. Embrace the mess and have fun with it. Share your DIY face mask experience with friends and family. You might inspire someone else to channel their inner kitchen chemist too. And don't forget to clean up afterward. A tidy kitchen makes for a happy chef. Enjoy your glowing skin and the satisfaction of creating something wonderful from scratch. Section 7. The importance of masking. And no, not the Halloween kind. Okay, all jokes aside, taking care of your skin is important. It's the largest organ in your body, and it deserves some love. Plus, when your skin looks good, you feel good. It's a win-win situation. And face masks are a great way to give your skin a little extra TLC. They can help hydrate, exfoliate, and brighten your complexion, leaving you with that coveted lit-from-within glow. So, make time for a little self-care and treat your skin to a face mask. Your future self will thank you. Section 8. Post-mask pampering. Treat your skin right. Now here's a little bonus tip from yours truly. Don't forget about aftercare. After you've pampered your skin with a face mask, you want to seal in all that goodness with a good moisturizer. Think of it as tucking your skin in for the night. Look for a moisturizer that's right for your skin type. If you have oily skin, opt for something lightweight and oil-free. If you have dry skin, go for something richer and more hydrating. And if you have sensitive skin, always patch test a new product on a small area of your skin before slathering it all over your face. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Section 9. Your skin's new best friend. A solid skincare routine. Speaking of skincare, let's talk about the importance of a solid skincare routine. Now, I'm not talking about a 10-step Korean skincare routine. Ain't nobody got time for that. But a basic routine can make a world of difference. We're talking cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. Those 3 simple steps can go a long way in keeping your skin looking its best. Think of it this way. You wouldn't go to bed without brushing your teeth, would you? Don't answer that. Your skin deserves the same level of care and attention. Section 10. Ready, set, glow. So there you have it, folks. The wonderful world of face masks. From sheet masks, to clay masks, to DIY concoctions, there's a face mask out there for everyone. So go forth, mask up, and let your inner glow shine through. And don't forget to check out the online store for all your face mask needs. We've got everything from hydrating sheet masks to pore purifying clay masks to all the aftercare products your skin could ever dream of. Remember, life is too short for dull skin. Stay glowy, my friends.